my, look.
What?
That deep.
I see how deep it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
The car is coming.
Here. Watch.
Nope. Ooh. Nope, it's not. Whoa, that's
Right there. That one has trouble going through. Yeah. Right there.
not our car like that. Our car.
It's all the way down.
What? I see.
Yeah.
It
Oh, you see the video. Wait, look at Rusty. How much water's behind our car. That's a lot of water.
Oh my God.
You see that? Yeah, that's right behind our car.
Maybe my brake could be, Daddy, Mom.
No, I think our car will be okay.
It's too fast. I have yucky oil in it.
Yeah.
Like too fast.
Yeah, I think we'll be okay though.
Like that. Oh, yes. No! Wait! Why? Oh my God, Mom! They're running! Our race car. Our race car. What? They're trying to win! What the? Oh my God!
Rusty, stop
That
yelling at me,
looks
stuff,
so
okay?
fun! Hey! That's not good!
Oh, here. One more time, here. Look right there, look at that one. Yeah, look at. Oh, yeah, slide through it. Go ahead. Look at. Whoa. Yeah, that guy's a boat. Don't these people realize that we live in a house? Like right here?
Yeah, this is a house.
Yeah, look at, watch. Look at.
Wow!
Look at that. He's having a hard time going. Look at it.
Ow! What happened?
Come on, get in here. Look at that. That's cool. Look at it. Watch. That's because this water's too high to be driving in for some people. They really shouldn't be driving in this.
Ooh, look. Oh my God.
Yeah. Down there is a lot worse than up here too. Russ, Jason, come here.
Ooh, look.
What?
Oh my God. It's
What?
It's still like a heavy car.
Still thundering. Russ, do not open that car. No.
Mommy, open it. Look.
Wow, that's what I went down there. That video of that.